SolidWorks simulation analysis software is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so designers can focus on design rather than on learning complicated analysis software. Here's a sheet metal design that we created with 13-gauge steel. The cost and weight of the receiver case are too high, so we want to investigate the impact of making it out of thinner material. Since SolidWorks simulation analysis software runs right inside of SolidWorks 3D CAD software, we do not have to leave our familiar design environment. SolidWorks simulation offers several different kinds of analysis, depending on the geometry. Although SolidWorks simulation uses materials already assigned in the SolidWorks part, you are free to change them in your SolidWorks simulation study and investigate different materials. Since these parts are sheet metal, a constant material thickness, we will choose a shell-type element. By right-clicking, we can quickly select all the surfaces. Now select Tangency, and all the surfaces are selected. Notice this was a standard SolidWorks selection method. Because we are using a shell element, we need to supply the thickness of the material. Next, we must tell SolidWorks simulation what faces will be fixed, or in this case, will be sitting on a stand. Our market research tells us that people will put just about anything on a receiver. So we are going to assume something like a 50-inch plasma TV in weight. Next, we will tell SolidWorks simulation how these two parts will contact with each other. We do this by selecting pairs of faces. For this analysis, we are assuming that the parts are bonded. This helps to simplify the analysis because we do not have to model fasteners and welds. Finally, we let SolidWorks simulation create the mesh, and then run the analysis. After a few moments, our results are available. For this design, we have a maximum allowable deflection of 1.25 millimeters before we come close to hitting the internal component. The analysis shows the cover deflected only 0.2 millimeters. So it looks like we could work with a thinner material. Let's run another study with thinner material. Since most of the parameters we are using in our new study are the same as in the first one, SolidWorks simulation lets us copy it. This time it deflected 1.14 millimeters, which is within our limit, so we can safely use the thinner material. We have just seen how, in only a few minutes, we were able to quickly determine that we could reduce our material thickness. This results in less weight for the product and less cost in material. SolidWorks and the fully integrated SolidWorks simulation analysis software allow you to design and analyze your products quickly and accurately, so you can focus on designing, not on learning complicated analysis software.